Hey kids, how are you? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we are going to learn about pronoun his. So his is a possessive adjective which is used in place of third person singular male. Possessive adjective? What is it? It's very easy. A possessive adjective tells us that what thing belongs to which person. It is followed by a noun. For example, this is his watch. So in this sentence, the pronoun his denotes that the watch belongs to third person singular male. Now tell me, is it followed by a noun or not? Yes, it is followed by a noun which is watch. So let's see some examples and make the concept of pronoun his clear. So Rudy, let's take our first example of pronoun his. This is his house. So why we have used the pronoun his in this sentence? Because it shows the possession of the third person singular and masculine. Do you know what is a possession?
Please explain.
Possession means something belongs to someone. As in this sentence, the pronoun his denotes that the house belongs to the third person masculine.
Now I understood.
So Rudy, read the second example.
This is his pen.
Correct. So again in this sentence, we have used the pronoun his because it denotes that the pen belongs to the third person singular and masculine. So Rudy, read the third example.
James is playing with his toy.
Correct. Now which is a possessive adjective in this sentence?
His.
Why?
Because it shows that the toy belongs to James.
Absolutely right. Now James is first person, second person or third person?
Third person.
Masculine or feminine?
Masculine.
Singular or plural?
Singular.
Very nice, baby. So, I hope you understood pronoun his very clearly. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.